Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey. If you're just
cute hair and I got it in bundles, makeup and jewels to get you in trouble, fashion and fitness and so many more.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another tutorial. This is just a simple makeup tutorial. This is just a simple brow tutorial. So if you wish, you can stay tuned. And if it is that you do not yet subscribe, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell? Then whenever I do post, you will be the first to notify. So as I said before, it is very simple and easy to learn, so you can stick around and watch this video to the end. So this is what you need to do first hand. I use the spoolie or the mascara brush, whichever one you choose, and I use it just to up my brows a bit, which I'm doing right now, or which I'm indicating to you. And once I do that, it will be much easier to draw the line with your pencil liner. So you do not want to draw past where your eyes stop. You're going to stop right at the tip where your eyes stop, and I will be showing you where you stop, because you don't want your brows to look too longer than your eyes, and this will make it more natural for you. So as I said before, and I will not be adding on any lashes because I was at work and I just said that I will do the simple makeup routine, and it is very easy and affordable to do. So I'm gonna do both brows just the same, and I realize that there's a trend going on now, so persons use the mascara or the spoolie just to up their brows, and then they use the concealer. But I will be filling in for this tutorial. I will be filling in for this look. So henceforth, and then when I do that, I would So after I'm through filling in my brows, I would basically use the concealer next just to highlight underneath, and this is what you use to seal the deal, let your eyebrows look flawless and spectacular and pretty. Anyways, so I will go in with a darker shade on my eyelids, and then I would also use that darker shade concealer to do my contour, and then I would put on my foundation with a little bit of powder. I would blend in all of this product my face, and you will see the end result. Comment down below, how do you do your makeup? How long do you take it to do your makeup? Are you a gorgeous amount of makeup person, or are you just a simple amount of makeup person? You can comment down below, guys. And also, during the summer, how much makeup do you add to your face? Lightly, or just a simple, or extra? Here in Jamaica, it is very hot. Henceforth, I only use a little bit of foundation, a little bit of powder, and that's it. I'm up and out. So it's all up to us, and it's all about the occasion, as I said before. So I was at work, and this is suitable for the job that I was doing. If you're just passing through and you're just tuning in, this is just a simple eyebrow and makeup tutorial, and you can just stick around. If you haven't yet subscribed, do hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I do post, you'll be the first to notify. And thanks for watching again, guys. Do share this video, do comment if you wish. I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you're keeping safe during this pandemic. God bless you all. foundation, and I will be using Fit Me in the shade 38. So basically you're going to need all these, and it is very affordable. You can get it at your local beauty store, wherever you can get these products, and it's affordable, as I said before. So stick around and do comment, do share if you wish, if you desire, and thank you. I would appreciate it. So after I'm through filling in my brows, I would basically use the concealer next, just to highlight underneath, and this is what you use to seal. So this is the end result, and I have just put down my hair a bit to make it look more fancy, but I like the turnout. I like how it looks, and it suits it, and it is suitable for my work. And thanks for watching again, guys, and do comment, do subscribe, and share this video. Bye, and another time.